Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Well, all of us have babies in our life whom we completely love and adore. They may be your niece, your nephew, your friend's baby, your own baby, or even your neighbor's baby. Watch this video till the end because I'm sure you'll definitely find this video useful. As today, I'm going to talk about one of the major concerns which we all go through, especially as parents. That is, when to start solid food for our babies. So today, let's discuss that in detail. Well, the first and the most important thing which we need to observe is the readiness of our babies for solids before we rush into solid food. Your baby will show all signs of readiness for solids. They will start observing food when you eat before them. They will even try to reach out for the family food. You need to take cues from your baby and then decide whether your baby is ready for solid food or not. Now, when I talk about taking cues from your baby, you need to check for another important thing which is known as the tongue thrust reflex in babies. All babies by birth are born with this reflex. It is a protective mechanism that helps them put out anything that their mouth cannot handle with the help of tongue. Now, you can check for this around 5.5 months or 6 months when you're about to start solid food for your baby. You can take a small size of, mashed boiled apple or a banana, and you can put it in their mouth and see. If the food comes right back at you along with the cute little tongue, then the reflex is probably still there. You can check for it several times with the help of even an empty spoon before you actually start solids. Next most important thing is that your baby should be able to sit with or without support. Well, they should be able to sit in your lap or on the chair. If they can sit on their own without any support, then it's even better. You should never feed your baby in inclined position or in sleeping position, as it can be very dangerous and it can lead to choking. So always remember to hold your baby in the upright position when you're about to feed them. Guys, majority of the health associations and authorities like WHO and NHS recommend that you start solid food for your baby only after they have completed 180 days. This is because until that age, babies get all the required nourishment from mother's milk or the formula. I urge you not to rush into solids, as if you start solids early, they tend to replace the nutritional value of mother's milk or the formula milk. Also, babies' digestive system is not strong enough before 180 days to handle solid food. So please wait until 180 days. When you do start solid food, make sure you start with one meal in a day and then slowly increase the number of meals as months pass by. Initially, do not rush your baby with 2-3 meals, as your baby's digestive system is still developing at this stage. Also, keep a sufficient amount of time gap between solid food and your baby's milk intake, because until 1 year, breast milk or formula milk is still the most nutritional thing that you can provide for your baby. So keep at least 30 to 40 minutes of gap between a feed and a solid food intake. Well, I was suggested by my pediatrician to start solid food for my baby as soon as he completed 5 months and entered the 6th month. However, I did a lot of research and reading about the same. I discussed with my doctor and we decided to wait for 1 more month. That is, I started solid food for him when he completed 6 months. I'm glad that I waited, because babies have their entire life ahead to have solid food, but the initial 6 months of their life are very crucial for their overall development and we should not rush them.
Hello, say hello, say hello.
Guys, meet Varenya.
Yay.
He is my baby boy, and we have started our solids journey around 1.5 months back. We'll be making a lot of more videos about baby care and healthy lifestyle. Also, I'll be putting up some videos around motivational thoughts and processes. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell icon for many more amazing videos.